Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix credit card declined in Roblox. So one of the reasons why you have encountered this is maybe because you haven't added any payment method on your Roblox. To do that, you have to go to settings and then this time you have to look for payment method. So here under payment method, you have to tap on the add option. Then here you have to make sure that you have added card number, expiration date, and CVV into this section right here. Also the billing, zip, postal code matches what your bank has. Even one wrong digit can trigger a decline. So always remember that Roblox accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover. It varies by region. Prepaid debit credit cards may be rejected if not registered with a billing address, have insufficient balance. So you need to register prepaid cards at the provider's website to add billing info. Another method to fix this is by clearing browser app cache. On browser, you have to tap on the three dots, and then this time you have to look for settings. And then here on settings, you have to look for privacy and security. Now here you have to select the delete browsing data, select time range, and then tap on clear cache. And after that, tap on clear data. And you can now go back and see if this method worked. Lastly, you can contact your bank. So, repeated small charges flagged as suspicious, you can call your bank and ask them to approve transactions from Roblox Corp. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.